has blasted. He has blasted in the parliament. He has come out with facts. If you want to disbelieve, you will die sinking in disbelief. That's all I can say. Arpanam has to reach Goddess Achakalamma, who is the embodiment of a certain historical figure who relates to spiritualism. Kannaki. It is a prayer to Kannaki Amma, Vishwa Amma. I think it will fetch results. This time it is too very special because the whole country and such countries on the face of the earth is vying and they are struggling to have peace and also protection of their yuva. You know who is getting hacked and what the intent behind that hacking is. To hack the astitva of the country through killing the youth. You know what is happening in Kerala and such other states in the country? So let us, not Trivandrum. You go to Chennai. They have the Satsangama in Chennai. And such other organizations, the Malayali associations, they're all doing it in thousands or 10,000s. Go find out. In Delhi. Find out. US, you want a virtual text? I can get you to it. It is not protest. It is a prayer. Mind you. Mind your language.
And also about the movement Asha workers
You know the result. Sri Nadda has spoken. He has blasted. He has blasted in the parliament. He has come out with facts. If you want to disbelieve, you will die sinking in disbelief. That's all I can say.